To download high-quality stamps, templates, themes, and more, explore TechSmith assets for Snagit. To get started, go to library.techsmith.com/Snagit and sign in with your TechSmith account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one before you begin. From here, browse the collection of free assets, along with premium content that comes with a paid subscription. This dropdown allows you to filter search results and show only assets that work with your version of Snagit. Let's pick this template. Hover over it and click the Snagit icon. The template is sent to Snagit and is ready for use. The process is similar for themes, photos, and stamps. For example, let's look for a stamp to help point to this login button. There are several free stamps already available in Snagit, but I'd like to see more options. To get back to the asset store, I click the Download More button. Then I browse the asset store to find a stamp I'd like to use. This time I'll choose to download the stamp to my desktop. Click the download icon. The stamp is saved to your Downloads folder. To import it into Snagit, go to File, Import, Import Stamps, and select the stamp file. Imported stamps appear under the Stamp tool and are organized into categories. For example, if your stamp was in the Interface category in the Asset Store, select Interface from the dropdown to view your new stamp. Then add it to your image. To learn more about Snagit, visit our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.